Welcome back, guys. This is question 5.27, and the statement of this question is if the probability that a fluorescent light has a useful life of at least 800 hours is 0.9, find the probabilities that among 20 such lights, part A of it, exactly 18 will have a useful life of at least 800 hours. B, at least 15 will have a useful life of at least 800 hours, and C, at least 2 will not have a useful life of at least 800 hours. Okay, so this is basically the statement, and now we have the table as well as the formula to solve them. So in this question we will try to solve it by using the table which we have instead of falling into the heavy calculations. So in this question, let us first write the given data here. So in writing the given data, this is the given data. Okay, so what is given? We know that the probability that life of a fluorescent light is at least 800 hours. So this is greater than 800 hours. The probability of it is given, and that is 0.9. Okay, so let me call it the probability P of the true event. Similarly, here we have the total lights which are n equal to what? 20. Okay, this is what we are given. Now on the basis of it, what do we have to find out? We have to find out, or the required quantities here are, okay, in part A we have to find what? We have to find exactly 18 will have a useful life of at least 800 hours. So we want to find out the probability that k is equal to 18. Okay, so in this video we will first find it out, and the other two parts of it we will try to solve them in our next videos. So this is part A, so let me solve it first. The solution of it is here, and in order to find it we have to find the probability that k is equal to 18. Okay, and this is what we need to use the formula which is here, and k, okay, p which is the probability 0.9, this is k, and also 1 minus p n minus k. So let me remove them and write 18 here. Okay, so 18, and also the value of n is 20 as well. So this is 20, and it would be 20 minus 18. So here it would be 20, sorry, 18 and 2, and the p value is 0.9. So let me write it here as well, the 0.9, removing it, and it will become 1 minus 0.9. So 0.9 raised to power 18 and 1 minus 0.9. So this is what we have. When you will follow it, you will find the answer which will be equal to what? 0.2852. Okay, so this is one method which we have seen here. Another method which is based on the tables here, we can find out the probability that k is equal to 18. This can be found out by using the table, and for that we will need what? We would need probability that k is less than or equal to 18, and from it I have to subtract the probability that k is less than or equal to 17. Okay, so now we know that here, in order to find this value from the table, we have to find out the probability that the value of n is 20, k is, or let me make it more specific. C is 18 and the probability is 0.9. Okay, from it I have to subtract this, where n is again 20. Okay, C is 17 and probability is 0.9. I have to take both of these values and subtract them together. So let me take these values and go to the table here. So this is the table which I was using. So let me use it here, and for it, this is what the probability is, which is 0.9. Okay, the value of n is what? The value of n is 20. So let me move to the 20. Okay, so this is what we have, 20, and here these are the values for the probability 0.9, because this is basically the second last column, and the two probabilities which we want to find here are for C equal to 18 and C equal to 17. Okay, for C equal to 18 we have here this one, so this is 0.608, and the second one is here 0 point, which is for 17 less than or equal to 17, this is 0.32323. So let me take them and move them here. So it is 0.608 minus 0.323. So the answer of it is 0.285, which is what? Which is the similar one which we had here, and that is what? That is basically the solution by tabular form, which is a similar one as it is here. Okay, so this is the solution for part A.